this time I want you, like it's magnetic.
Hey everyone! Today I'll be playing the Mukbang.game, which I want to be alone. So I'm gonna make a private server. I'm gonna name it Done. If you wonder how I got this many money, I've seen this game interesting, so I played with my friends. Let's get a spot to eat. I want to go to the hotel. Oh wait, it's right there. How dumb I am.
Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own room. Hello, please follow the signs to claim your own room. Have a comfy stay.
I think here is good. Oh, I don't want to spend my own money. Let's go somewhere else. Maybe inside it's good. It's even raining, so why not? Maybe here. No, too expensive. I know where. Here. It's my favorite spot. No one is with me, but I'm gonna close the curtains. What should I order? Four food is enough. I don't think my avatar is that hungry. Let's start with spicy gnocchi. Enjoy the ASMR. Now flamin' hot dog with spicy ketchup. And my face. Now the Oreo cereal. Sorry up to that. I'm using auto rotate. Proof. Now the chocolate milkshake. IDK what to do more than eating in this game. And the spot is kind of boring as well. Let's find another one. Gosh, that scared me. Thought that was another person at my priv server. I'm so bored. Maybe if I go there to eat. It's a good idea. Did you know that you can swim in this game? Nothing inside. Here, we see him alone. I think dessert is the last food for this video. NGL apple pie kinda looks like Igari food. Both of these are enough. Wait, what is that? Look again. It looks so delicious. And the last piece. That's all for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Cupid is out. Bye, Ipookies. And please tell me in the comments if you want another vid like this. Love y'all!